presenting the Dodge 2019 Journey Say. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include monotone paint application, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, normal duty suspension, STD, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, granite pearl coat, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.